What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, where I just give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the supercar community on YouTube. On today's episode we're going to be covering just three people, Stradman, Whistlendiesel and Mandy. They're the only three we're going to be covering. So if you like this kind of stuff, guys, do consider smashing the subscribe button. That would be pretty sick. Do give it a like, and even better, it'd be nice if you want to comment below, get involved, guys. I do like chatting to you in the comments below. It's always fun to hear your thoughts and opinions as well. Help us get 2,000 subscribers. I do plan on getting a project car where I will be making you heavily involved in it, in making the decisions on what car I get and how to modify and stuff like that, which I can't wait to do. I don't know when it's going to happen, guys. Obviously the bigger we get, the revenue off this channel is more likely what's going to support it. So that's the plan for it, and I just like doing this kind of stuff because there's no supercars where I live. So let's just jump into the video, shall we? So first on the list, it's going to be Stradman. What can I say? Look, we all know what was going to happen. We all knew he was going to wrap the Bugatti purple. We just didn't know what render it was going to be. You know, it was, the way I looked at it was, I could hope he was going to change his mind, but it was just very interesting to see how Clayton was going to get this wrapped and how it would come out. Because it is a very, in my head, it's a hard car to wrap because of the way it just looks. You know, because the way it's been broken up before and wrapped before. And what do I think of it? I do like it, and I don't like it, if that makes sense. As in, I just more like it more than I kind of would dislike it. As I said, I would have went for a more solid colour and less breaking it up, but indeed it does really stand out and it looks cool. The purple is so nice on it. I mean, it just, anywhere he goes, that car, any car meets, it's just going to break necks. But I want to hear from you guys in the comments below. But here is a quick clip for you guys of the new wrap on Stradman's Bugatti. There you go, guys. Get commenting. What do you think? Are you sick of Stradman doing purple? Do you like it? What do you think? I mean, look, purple is always going to be his colour. That is now basically his brand, is that satin purple chrome. He did say in his video that he is obviously going to start doing different colours on his other cars, which it needed to be done. You know, just sticking to purple the whole time was going to just start getting a bit boring, but I'm glad he did say he's considering like pinks and blue and reds, which would be pretty sweet. It'd be nice to just switch it up a bit, but I mean, I've gotten to a very carbon and whatever colour person. If that was me, it would have been carbon and purple. It's just the way I would have done it. White does go with purple, but I think it's just, I think because it's a Bugatti Veyron, you expect it to be a bit more sleek. I think you just expect Bugatti Veyrons not to be a very bright kind of crazy render colour, because you're so used to seeing them either a solid colour or just with the carbon sweeps going through them and stuff like that. But look, it's his car at the end of the day. I think it's pretty cool driving down the highway. Definitely, what a sick car. But fair dues to him. I just want to hear your thoughts and opinions below, guys. If you're sick of it or not, or if you like the wrap or if you don't, just be interesting to hear your thoughts and opinions. Next on the list is going to be Whistlendiesel. Now, I don't follow Whistlendiesel because mostly it's a truck channel. It's not my kind of thing. But it was brought to my attention from Ant on Sports and Touring about their latest video where he has transformed a monster truck into an amphibic, I think, I can't remember the name, it starts with an A. Basically he turned it into a floating monster truck on water that is able to drive because the tires are so big, they float, and you know, they basically are able, he's basically able to drive it on water, which is insane. The size of it is nuts. The amount of work that must have went into that thing, I can only believe it. If you're a Whistlendiesel fan, do comment below. Did you enjoy watching him build this? What you think of the outcome of it? It got a lot of attention. He had the cops come down. I think the who else was there? Marines came out. I think it was, I don't know, the guys came down from the docks as well, basically telling him like, you can't be out here and you need to have a registered boat. Now he did register it. He said he had everything registered to try to get it out on the water. From what he did say on camera, from what I could see, they put a boat number on it. They brought it out. The thing did half a knot. It kind of struggled against the tide, so he's really going to have to do a 2.0 version to try and get that a bit faster. But in fairness to him, man, this thing driving into the water was absolutely nuts. The size of it, all I can do is applaud the guy. He said there was a lot of doubters and haters and repeated cycle of content, but I mean, I had to cover it because it was so crazy, and the reaction he got out there with the Marine Police and all that kind of stuff. So, you know, fair dues to Whistlendiesel. What an insane great video to see, and hopefully there's a 2.0 and gets it faster. Definitely a good one. Let me know in the comments below, guys, what you thought of it. It'd be interesting to hear your thoughts and opinions. Yeah, just said I'd cover it just because it was fun. So last on the list, guys, is going to be Mondi. Mondi in Houston. So Mondi went out. He's thinking of buying a Ferrari Roma. He went to, I can't remember where he went to exactly, but he went out to a place where they had one there, just to friends, whatever, just to test out the Ferrari Roma because he's thinking of buying one. Brought it out for spin as usual, goes out messing with Houston in the car, does some donuts and gets pulled over by the police. And basically police are just like, what are you doing, blah blah. But the reason I brought this up was because of the way Houston went on in the car with him. Like basically stirring shit, not giving a fuck. Like literally Mondi's face just like, shut the fuck up, man, you're going to get me in serious trouble. So here's a quick clip of these two in the car when they got pulled over.
Ferrari test drive.
This is the paperwork for
that's what we got right there.
Do it burning it out on the street.
It's just kind of one of those things where you want to experience the whole car, you know, just to see if it's good.
Is there insurance on this?
Well, it's a manufacturer car.
Yeah, it's
He's gonna
insurance.
talk for himself, or are you gonna talk for
I'm
him?
sorry, sir.
I'm just helping him because
okay.
you know.
One second. The insurance is through Ferrari, sir.
That is it, guys. It's brilliant. Houston is such a little shit of a troublemaker, and they do go well together. Mondi can be like, I think Mondi he is a messer, but he really kind of turns into a mouse when the cops are involved. Then like Houston is just a loudmouth brash. I don't give a shit and always just kind of stir stuff. They're very kind of opposite when it comes to that kind of stuff, but I found the interaction hilarious. Houston's face is like such a troublemaker. Mondi then was just like, seriously man, you're just a dick, like, you know, which was brilliant. I laughed so hard at that, but I hope he doesn't get Houston did ask him, would you prefer the Porsche 911 Turbo S or the Ferrari Roma? I would, if it was me, it would be the Porsche 911 Turbo S. It'd be a lot faster than the Roma. I do like the Roma, but there's just something about it. It doesn't really appeal to me as much as I would for 911. But I don't know, comment below which one you would take, what do you think of the Roma, and if you saw the video, what you think of Mondi's channel, etc. So that is it, guys, for today. As I said, just a short, not like to cover my usual ones, but hopefully you like this vid. Give it a like, definitely comment below, and even better if you will subscribe. So until the next episode, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.